retirement. For some, it's the promise of leisurely days and pursuing passions put on hold. For others, it's a time of uncertainty, of wondering if they've saved enough to truly enjoy their golden years. The fear of outliving your savings is a valid one, a worry that lingers in the back of many minds. But what if I told you there's a way to face those fears head-on? A way to design a retirement where your money lasts as long as you do. This isn't just about numbers and calculations. It's about understanding your options, making informed decisions, and taking control of your future. Imagine a retirement where you can travel to those destinations you've always dreamed of, spend precious time with loved ones, and pursue hobbies you never had time for. This dream can be your reality. We're here to simplify things, to break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand terms, empowering you to take charge of your financial well-being. In this journey towards a secure retirement, knowledge is power. We'll start by demystifying the 4% rule, a cornerstone of retirement planning that helps you determine a sustainable withdrawal rate for your savings. Imagine having a clear understanding of how much you can spend each year without the fear of depleting your nest egg. Discover how dividend stocks can provide a steady stream of passive income, allowing your money to work for you even in retirement. We'll also discuss the role of bonds and ETFs in creating a diversified portfolio that balances risk and reward. Social Security benefits are a crucial aspect of retirement income for many Filipinos. Learn how delaying your benefits can significantly increase your monthly payments and explore options for coordinating benefits with your spouse. Let's talk about the 4% rule, a guideline that has helped many retirees plan their spending. In simple terms, this rule suggests that you can withdraw 4% of your retirement savings each year without outliving your money. Think of it like this. You have a large jar of cookies and you only want to eat a few each day to make them last. The 4% rule helps you figure out how many cookies you can enjoy each year from your retirement savings jar. Now you might be wondering, how does this actually work? Let's say you've diligently saved 10 million pesos for retirement. Applying the 4% rule, you could withdraw 400,000 pesos in your first year of retirement. Remember, this is a guideline, and we'll discuss how to adjust it to fit your individual circumstances later on. Let's delve deeper into how the 4% rule can be applied in a real-life scenario. Imagine you're a newly retired teacher, and your pension, combined with your savings, totals 8 million pesos. Using the 4% rule, you could withdraw 320,000 pesos in your first year. This 320,000 pesos becomes your annual spending allowance, covering essential expenses like housing, food, utilities, and healthcare. Now you might be thinking, what happens in the following years? The 4% rule accounts for this by assuming your investments will continue to grow over time. This adjustment ensures your purchasing power remains intact, allowing you to maintain your standard of living throughout retirement. While the 4% rule provides a solid foundation for retirement planning, it's essential to remember that real life is rarely static. Factors like inflation, market fluctuations, and unexpected healthcare expenses can impact your retirement income, and it's crucial to adjust your strategy accordingly. Inflation, the gradual increase in prices over time, can erode the purchasing power of your savings. Market fluctuations are another reality to consider. During downturns, it's prudent to consider withdrawing a slightly lower percentage to avoid depleting your savings too quickly. Lastly, healthcare costs are a significant expense during retirement. Consider setting aside a portion of your savings specifically for healthcare, ensuring you're prepared for potential medical expenses. Now that we've established a framework for understanding your retirement spending with the 4% rule, let's explore how to make your money work for you through smart investments. One of the most effective ways to generate consistent income in retirement is through dividend stocks. Imagine receiving regular paychecks from your investments, providing a steady stream of cash flow to supplement your retirement income. Dividend stocks represent ownership in companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. These payouts are typically made quarterly, providing a predictable income stream that can help cover living expenses or even fund your dream retirement activities. When choosing investments for your retirement portfolio, it's crucial to focus on companies with a solid track record of profitability and dividend payments. Investing in dividend stocks is like planting seeds that bear fruit over time. When it comes to dividend investing, blue-chip companies are often considered the gold standard. These are well-established, financially sound corporations with a long history of profitability and dividend payments. Investing in blue-chip companies provides a level of stability and reliability that can be particularly appealing during retirement. Moreover, many blue-chip companies prioritize dividend growth, increasing payouts to shareholders over time. This commitment to returning value to investors can provide a hedge against inflation, ensuring your retirement income keeps pace with the rising cost of living. Remember, diversification is key to a well-rounded investment strategy. This will help mitigate risk and protect your portfolio from downturns in any one particular area. While dividend stocks can provide a steady stream of income, it's essential to balance your retirement portfolio with investments that offer stability and diversification. That's where bonds and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, come in. Think of these as the anchors in your portfolio, providing ballast during market volatility. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks, making them a suitable option for retirees seeking a more conservative approach. ETFs offer instant diversification by bundling together a basket of assets such as stocks, bonds, or commodities. This diversification helps mitigate losses during market downturns, ensuring your retirement savings remain on track even when stock markets experience volatility. Let's meet Mrs. Reyes, a retired teacher who now enjoys a comfortable retirement thanks to her well-planned dividend portfolio. After years of diligently saving and investing, Mrs. Reyes transitioned her portfolio to focus on dividend-paying blue-chip companies. She chose companies with a proven track record of dividend growth, ensuring her retirement income would keep pace with inflation. Mrs. Reyes now receives a consistent stream of dividend income that covers her living expenses, allowing her to travel, pursue hobbies, and spend quality time with her loved ones. "I used to worry about outliving my savings," Mrs. Reyes shares. "But now, thanks to my dividend income, I have peace of mind knowing that my money is working for me." Her story is a testament to the power of informed investing and the potential for financial security in retirement. Mrs. Reyes's journey highlights the importance of taking control of your financial future and seeking professional guidance when needed. By working with a financial advisor, she developed a personalized investment strategy that aligned with her risk tolerance and retirement goals. Her success story serves as an inspiration for others to take charge of their retirement planning. As we navigate the intricacies of retirement planning, it's crucial to acknowledge a vital resource available to us, Filipinos, the Social Security System, or SSS. This program serves as a safety net, a source of financial support designed to ensure a dignified retirement for every working Filipino. Understanding how your SSS benefits work is key to maximizing your retirement income. Each contribution you make throughout your working years adds to your personal account, accumulating over time to provide you with a monthly pension upon retirement. But here's the crucial point. The age at which you choose to start receiving your SSS pension significantly impacts the amount you'll receive each month. Delaying your claim even for a few years can result in a substantial increase in your monthly benefits, providing a more comfortable retirement. By understanding the mechanics of your SSS benefits and exploring strategies to maximize their value, you can ensure a more financially secure and enjoyable retirement. In the realm of retirement planning, patience can be your greatest ally. When it comes to your SSS benefits, delaying your claim beyond the minimum retirement age can significantly boost your monthly income. For each year you delay claiming your pension beyond the minimum retirement age, your monthly benefit amount increases by a significant percentage. This means that by choosing to wait, you're essentially giving your benefits more time to grow, resulting in a larger monthly payout throughout your retirement. Consider this. If you're eligible to receive 10,000 pesos per month at the minimum retirement age, delaying your claim by just 5 years could increase your monthly benefit to 15,000 pesos or more. By exercising patience and strategically delaying your SSS claim, you can secure a larger monthly income stream, ensuring a more fulfilling and financially secure retirement journey. Retirement planning is a shared journey, especially for couples. When it comes to maximizing your SSS benefits, coordinating your claiming strategies can make a significant difference in your combined retirement income. One strategy to consider is for the higher-earning spouse to delay their SSS claim, while the lower-earning spouse claims their benefits earlier. This approach provides an immediate income stream for the couple, while allowing the higher earners' benefits to continue growing, resulting in a larger payout when they eventually claim. Another option is for both spouses to delay their claims for as long as possible, maximizing their individual benefit amounts. It's essential to consult with a financial advisor to determine the most advantageous approach for your specific situation. Section 1. Rental properties, building wealth and income. Over time, imagine a stream of income flowing into your account each month without actively working for it. That's the allure of passive income, and one of the most popular avenues for generating it is through rental properties. Owning a rental property can provide a steady stream of cash flow during your retirement years. Think of it as leveraging a valuable asset, real estate, to create long-term financial security. As tenants cover their monthly rent, you're building equity in a tangible asset. Enjoy both cash flow and potential capital appreciation. However, being a landlord is not without its responsibilities. Weigh the pros and cons carefully. Factor in maintenance costs, vacancies, and time commitment. Thorough research and planning are crucial. Success lies in finding the right property and understanding the market. Section 2. Online ventures. Turning your expertise into income. In today's digital age, the internet offers a wealth of opportunities to generate passive income, even during retirement. One avenue that's gaining popularity is turning your expertise and passions into profitable online ventures. Think of it as sharing your knowledge and skills with a global audience, earning income while making a difference. Imagine yourself as an author, sharing your life lessons, professional insights, or creative talents through ebooks or online courses. Or perhaps you're a skilled craftsman, artist, or teacher, offering your creations or services through online platforms that connect you with eager customers worldwide. The beauty of online ventures lies in their flexibility and low overhead. You can work from the comfort of your own home, set your own hours, and scale your efforts as you see fit. Whether you're looking for a full-time income stream or simply want to supplement your retirement funds, the online world offers endless possibilities. From freelance writing and virtual assistants to online tutoring and affiliate marketing, there's a niche for almost everyone. The key is to identify your strengths, explore available platforms, and embrace the ever-evolving world of online entrepreneurship. A second act: turning passion into profits. Retirement doesn't have to mean slowing down. For many, it's an opportunity to pursue passions that were put on hold during their working years, turning hobbies and interests into fulfilling and potentially profitable ventures. Think of it as your second act, a chance to reinvent yourself and explore new horizons. Meet Mr. Santos, a retired engineer who turned his lifelong love for woodworking into a thriving online business. What started as a way to fill his days with creativity soon blossomed into a source of income as he began selling his handcrafted wooden toys and furniture online. Mr. Santos's story is a testament to the power of passion and the endless possibilities that retirement can bring. By combining his craftsmanship skills with the reach of online platforms, he created a business that not only generates income, but also brings him immense joy and satisfaction. Whether it's baking, gardening, photography, or writing, there's often a way to monetize your passions and share your talents with the world. Retirement can be an opportunity to explore these avenues, turning hobbies into side hustles or even full-fledged businesses. Taking charge of your tomorrow today. Retirement can stir up a whirlwind of emotions. It's natural to feel excitement and apprehension. Have I saved enough? Will my money last? What if something unexpected happens? Acknowledge these concerns and take control. It's never too late to shape your retirement journey. Seek support, connect with others, and use available resources. With the right approach, you can secure a fulfilling retirement. A lifetime of security within your reach. Throughout this guide, we've explored strategies to empower your retirement journey. From the 4% rule to income-generating investments, maximizing Social Security benefits, and diversifying your portfolio to dividend-paying stocks and bonds and ETFs. With careful planning and informed decisions, you can secure your financial future. Enjoy your well-deserved rest and new life opportunities. Your retirement, your journey. Your retirement is a unique journey. Plan for financial freedom, spend time with loved ones, and embrace joy. Take action, explore resources, and connect with advisors. Share your thoughts and questions below. Subscribe for more tips on retirement planning. Let's navigate this path together.